Hello viewers, welcome to our civic education class. Our topic of discussion for today is national consciousness and identity. Now, we start by first giving the meaning of consciousness. Consciousness means being able to use one's sense and mental powers to understand events happening at a particular point in time. And consciousness is also the state or quality of awareness or of being aware of an external object or something within oneself. It has also been defined as sentience, awareness, subjectivity, and the ability to experience or to feel wakefulness, having a sense of selfhood, and the executive control system of the mind. Now, we are moving on the national consciousness. National consciousness is the level of a person's awareness of issues and happenings in the nation and how they affect him or her and others in the nation. It is also the love and affection for oneself. The self-awareness translates to self-consciousness. And the national consciousness is also the feeling of love for one's country. This is called nationalism or national consciousness. Now, the love for one country should be paramount in the mind of an individual, and people in the nation they share common interests and common goal. Now, people in a nation they share economic life, common territory, political system, they share the same constitution, and so on.